Hello everyone and welcome to this new video on the YouTube channel of the Schetsvlogger. Today I'm gonna show you how you can draw the first enemy in the Super Mario Bros. Games. And no, it's not Bowser, it's actually a Goomba. So first you just start with a circle, very light on the paper. Very light on the paper. Don't worry about mistakes. It's your drawing, so it can be anything. And then I gonna draw his face with construction lines. He is very angry. You can see it in a minute. But I draw his belly. He has a very tiny belly under his head and very tiny legs. His legs are attached to his body. Now he needs more details, so I draw his I think it is his cheek. Very light on the paper. And when you see the lines that you want to have, you can actually make it very dark. So now we're gonna add his eyes. His eyes are very egg-like, very high on his face, and then his very angry eyebrows. He has very angry eyebrows. You can make his eyebrow very dark, very dark. You can actually see his expression already on the paper. And now I'm gonna make his eyes a little bit darker. It's called tie down in the animation industry. Now we're gonna draw his pupils. And I forgot something, and you can see it already. I forgot his angry mouth. So I'm gonna make a backward C shape. And then add his very sharp teeth. He has very sharp teeth. So make it a little bit dark. Now we're gonna shape in the eyes. Make some shadow underneath his body. And don't forget, most important in drawing, add your autograph. So everyone will see who drew this very not dangerous Mario enemy, but an angry Goomba. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do you wanna subscribe to the channel? It makes very happy. And I hope you see you in the next video. Bye bye.